Chapter 11. Financial Market. Question 1. A. Select the correct option and rewrite the sentences. 1. A financial market is a market in which people trade, and derivatives, at low transaction costs. The options are A. Gold, B. Financial securities, C. Commodities. And the correct option is B. Financial securities. 2. When the trade bills are accepted by commercial banks, it is known as . The options are A. Treasury bills, B. Commercial bills, C. Commercial papers. And the correct option is B. Commercial bills. 3. Money market is a market for lending and borrowing of funds for term. The options are A. Short, B. Medium, C. Long. And the correct option is A. Short. 4. Central government is a borrower in the money market through the issue of . The options are A. Commercial papers, B. Trade bills, C. Treasury bills. And the correct option is C. Treasury bills. 5. Is the market for borrowing and lending long-term capital required by business enterprises. The options are A. Money market, B. Capital market, C. Gold market. And the correct option is B. Capital market. Question 1. B. Match the pairs. Students are advised to read the question. Answer. A. Financial market. 5. Trading of financial securities. B. Money market. 4. Short-term fund. C. Primary market. 2. New issue market. D. Commercial paper. 7. Unsecured promissory note. Question 1. C. Write a word, or a term, or a phrase, which can substitute each of the following statements. 1. A market where people trade financial securities and derivatives at low transaction cost. And the answer is financial market. 2. A market which provide long-term funds. And the answer is capital market. 3. A market which provide short-term funds. And the answer is money market. 4. A money market instrument used by bank when one bank faces temporary shortage of cash. And the answer is call money or notice money. 5. A bill which is issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. And the answer is Treasury bill. 6. A market which exclusively deals with the new issue of securities. And the answer is primary market or new issue market. Question 1. D. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. A financial market is a market in which people trade financial securities and derivatives at high transaction costs. This statement is false. 2. Money market is the market for the long-term funds. This statement is false. 3. Capital market is the market for the long-term funds. This statement is true. 4. Primary market is also known as new issue market. This statement is true. 5. Secondary market is commonly known as stock market. This statement is true. 6. Commercial paper is a secured promissory note. This statement is false. 7. Treasury bills are issued by commercial banks. This statement is false. Question 1. E. Find the odd one. Treasury bills, shares, certificate of deposit, and the odd one is shares. FPO, private placement, commercial paper, and the odd one is commercial paper. New issues market, call money market, secondary market, and the odd one is call money market. Question 1. F. Complete the sentences. 1. Funds borrowed and lent in money market are for dash term, and the answer is short. 2. When trade bills are accepted by commercial banks, it is known as dash, and the answer is commercial bills. 3. Unsecured negotiable promissory notes issued by a commercial bank is called as dash, and the answer is certificate of deposit. 4. New shares, debentures, etc. are traded in dash market, and the answer is primary or new issue. 5. In capital market, the instruments traded have maturity period of more than dash year, and the answer is 1. Question 1. G. Select the correct option from the bracket. Buying and selling of existing securities, treasury bills, funds for long term, fund for short term. A. Money market. The correct option is funds for short term. B. Zero risk instrument. The correct option is treasury bill. C. Capital market. The correct option is funds for long term. D. Secondary market. The correct option is buying and selling of existing securities. Question 1. H. Answer in one sentence. 1. What is financial market? Answer. Financial market is a market where buying and selling of financial assets, that is financial instruments, take place. 2. What is call money market? Answer. Call money market is the market where the funds are lent or borrowed for a very short period, that is, 1 day. 3. What is certificate of deposits? Answer. Certificate of deposits, that is, CDS, are unsecured negotiable promissory notes issued by commercial banks and financial institutions. 4. What is trade bill? Answer. Trade bill is a negotiable instrument or a bill drawn by the seller, that is drawer, on the buyer, that is drawee, for the value of the goods sold under credit. 5. What is new issue market? Answer. New issue market is the market where newly established companies sell their financial instruments, such as shares, debentures, etc., for the first time, to raise fresh capital. Question 1. I. Correct the underlined word or words and rewrite the following sentences. 1. In primary market, already existing securities are traded. Answer. In secondary market, already existing securities are traded. 2. Companies sell fresh shares for the first time to the public in secondary market. Answer. Companies sell fresh shares for the first time to the public in primary market. 3. In money market, the instruments traded have maturity period of more than 1 year. Answer. In capital market, the instruments traded have maturity period of more than 1 year. 4. Financial market can be classified as capital market and call money market. Answer. Financial market can be classified as capital market and money market.